So let's try to solve this linked list problem, which is a rotate list. So it's a medium problem. Let's get with the problem statement. Given the head of a linked list, rotate the list to the right by k places. Okay, so if the input is 1 2 3 4 5, so we have to rotate by 2 times. So 5 came here, and okay, so how many, the if suppose k value is 2, then we have to uh, like rotate the list by 2 nodes. So in this we will assume that we have to rotate it by 4 nodes. So 0 1 2, then 1 0 1 2, so 2 will come here, and then 1 will come here. Once again that 0 will come here, and 2 at last, so 2 will come here. Okay, so we got the basic idea of a statement that we have to rotate our list by k times, k by k nodes. Okay, so let's get with the solution. We'll return head if there is no next. And return head. Perfect. So first of all, we'll try to count the number of nodes, and we'll set our this next tail next value to head, so that we can iterate over it. We'll try to set old tail is equal to, which is head, and we'll try to count the number of nodes. Total nodes is equal to 1, because we have came out of this, while old tail of next old tail is equal to old tail dot next and total nodes. So we will get the total number of nodes from here, and once we get that, we'll set this last value to our head. So we'll set that old tail dot next equals to head. So we have created a loop. Now main task comes to, we have to iterate over it, or we have to shift the nodes by the kth value. So let's start this. New head. So new head is equal to head, because we have to update the head as well. We'll be like keep updating the tail value, and once we have done that, we will update our head. New head is equal to new tail dot next, new tail dot next should be none, and will return our new head. So let let's give it a try. New, oh my bad. Total load minus k what it is saying. New tail referenced before it assignment. Okay. It's my bad. So okay, everything seems to be working. Let's update this as well. If not, head dot next return head. So let's put one more condition. If not head, then return none. It seems to be working now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.